Hello friends, do you want to use Revit 2027 legally for free? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step from creating an account to verification, download and installation. So let's get started. So to download Revit 2027, click on the link given in the description section below. Once you are on this page, click on sign in. If you already have a student account, enter your login details and sign in. And if you don't, click on create account. Now enter your email ID. It can be your college email or personal email. Then click on I agree and go to next. You will receive a verification code on your email. Enter the code here and click next. Now enter your first name, last name and create a strong password. Check this box and click on create account. Wait for a few seconds. Now here you will see different software options. Click on select. But since we need a student license, click on select under student option. Scroll down. Choose your educational role as student. Enter your date of birth and click on continue. Here your country will already be selected. Now enter your address, city, state and postal code. Select your institution type, enter your college or institution name and its website. Now enter your graduation date, select the month and year of passing. Check this box and click on continue. Now you need to upload your student verification document. For example, college I-card, library card or fee receipt. Click here, select the file from your computer and click on continue. Now click on submit. Verification may take up to 48 hours, but usually it gets approved immediately. Now check your email inbox. You will receive an approval email from Autodesk confirming your student access. This access is valid for 1 year. Now come back to the same page. Click on view all products under product section. Find Revit, click on select and then click on access product. Select Revit 2027, click on install, accept the terms and conditions and download the .exe file. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Select the installation path and then click on install. Wait until the installation is complete. Now you can start Revit 2027. You can go to the What's New section to explore all the latest features. Click on New, select a template and start working. And if you want to learn Revit completely, you can watch our 12.5-hour full course video available in both English and Hindi. After this, you won't need any paid courses. So, Revit 2027 installation and activation is now complete. You can use it for free for 1 year and you can renew it next year as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.